This time on building terminology, underpurlins. So underpurlins are a horizontal structural timber member which is laid underneath the rafters, supporting them at mid or intermediate spans along their length. They are supported either by struts from walls or beams below, or by principal rafters of roof trusses. Underpurlins are also referred to as purlins, but there is a difference between an underpurlin and a purlin, so you shouldn't get them mixed up. So again, looking at our roof, and on the lower, smaller section of this roof, there's no need for an underpurlin because the rafters actually span the distance without needing support. However, on this major span section, there is an underpurlin. And if we get rid of all the other timber, you can see this member running around here, halfway up the roof, is supporting the rafters. And in a few other videos, I'll show you how the underpurlin is supported back down to the wall frame. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.